Hi guys, this is Munir and I'm presenting here my first Hackday project. This is basically an Snowflake application that can be used for two things. First, it helps create a very visual mock-up of an application. Second, this can be used to record the placement coordinates of objects on the screen to a text file. For the marketing team, this can be a brainstorming and planning tool, also helping one get a good picture of how the end application should look like. Using this app is as simple as placing all the assets in the content folder. The assets are basically the JPEGs and PNGs like the background, mock widgets, wireframe assets like buttons, text boxes, etc. The assets can then be just dragged onto the screen from palettes and placed around the screen. This will also be helpful in planning the flow of the application and designing the user experience. For the development team, this app could be used to determine the precise placement of many objects simultaneously by freely interacting with them. This will help in keying in the position information in the code, thereby reducing the time it takes sometimes to move back and forth between the coding and compiling and running the application over and over to get the locations right. Taking the airport application as an example here, we could first create rough sketches, hand drawings or low level graphical mockups of the intended widgets. Then we just place the wireframes or mock graphics in the content folder and those show up in a palette on the main screen of the app. Then we just drag down the objects and scale them as required and arrange them in the way we want them to appear in the end application. So these palettes basically load from the content folder, one for each subfolder in there. This way we could have an organized set of common pre-made wireframes as well as assets specific to the app being designed or planned. The options bar is present here at the bottom, which can be switched on or off from the corner menu. It has options to toggle the visibility of the grid, which of course shows or hides the grid. The grid helps in placing and scaling the objects in alignment to each other. Going further, this app could have a snap to grid option, making it more convenient to place the objects. The asset button toggles the visibility of the palettes, which can be hidden out of the way once we are done placing the required objects. The info button toggles the visibility of the information boxes around the objects, which displays object name, current position coordinates, the width, the height, and the rotation parameters. More information can be added in here. The last option is the save option, which saves all of the parameters of the objects to a text file, which can be later referred from while developing. So going further, some of the features that can be added to this application such that it can be better used could be the addition of a crop feature, which will make it easy to just simply take screenshots from a browser or other apps and crop out the required content right in the app. Also, a text feature can be added in wherein users can write comments or callouts on the canvas. Additionally, a networking feature can be added in which could be used to collaborate in planning a new app or a concept by people who are in different geographical locations. So that was my Hackday project. It's a rather simple app and we'll be looking to do something more complex in the next month's Hackday. Hope you liked it. Do send in your comments and feedbacks on this. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day.